Hi YouTube family, Paul here. One of the things I love about the W210 Mercedes, it's a Mercedes E430 2001, but it's a W210 series, is that single freaky windshield wiper. But this wiper extends up and down while it does the range to cover more area of the windshield. So you should occasionally lubricate this. To get in here, you have to lift the base bottom here, and then that comes out. You just lift it this way and then back out. Then they call this, I heard somebody say it's called a turtle cover or something, but now I may have to get this to extend further. I'm gonna have to hit that windshield wiper, I think up to the corner of the windshield for it to be fully extended so I can get that cover piece off. Just turn your wiper on and kill the ignition switch. You know, turn the ignition switch to accessories. The wiper on. Up. It's quick. Let's see if I can get it there. All right, you see the position I have it in? The arm is extended. Then you have room to lift this. Supposed to pop off of here. There we go. Then you slide that up and you get over here and get access to lubricate that a little bit. Oh, I thought this had a split in it where it comes off. It doesn't, huh? Okay. I guess you would have to take that arm off, but I have a little bearing grease. I'm going to put a little grease here on these arms, these rollers, and on this shaft, so that's lubricated a little bit. Very simple thing, not a big deal to do. 10 or 15 minutes of your time and 10 cents of grease is worth preventing having to replace this. I've heard people complaining that theirs were working slow and making noise. This can just get dried out after a while. I'm gonna put a little extra grease in there. It'll spread itself around. Look like rollers, but there's no way to lubricate them, so I'm just going to lubricate the track a little bit. Lubricate those wheels. Well, that's it, guys. Very simple thing to do, very quick. These little acid brushes are great for stuff like this. I got 36 of these at Harbor Freight for $2.99. Plus, Harbor Freight was having a sale, 20% off, so I love Harbor Freight. Okay, guys, that's how you lubricate your windshield wiper assembly on a W210 Mercedes. Easy thing to do. Then installation is a reverse. Goes up in there, and then just press it down. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that's some useful information for you guys. Any comments, concerns, complaints, suggestions, please leave them. Feel free to contact me, paulphillipsfix@gmail.com. You can find me on Patreon, Facebook, and Instagram. Take care, guys, and take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Bye-bye.